Let us try to solve solution. Question number 5, part E. Question is 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 again multiplied by 65. In this question, if you will see carefully, then you will find one thing, that 625 is repeating here and it is present here 2 times. So here we can take it common. In question number A also I have told you, if in any question there will be 2 times, any number will be 2 times, so then you can take that number as common. Here 2 times, here 625, we can write this 625 one time. One more thing here should be observed, that is, if 625 will be is equals to A cross, here will be B, then A cross, here will be B, then plus, here A is equals to 625, here also again 625 is repeating here, again we can write here A cross, this is another number, so we can take it as C. A cross B plus A cross C. So can you remember it? Which property this is? It will be A cross, in bracket it will be A cross B plus C. Can you write this? Here you can write, here we can use distributive property. Okay, here the property which we can use is distributive property, because in question only it is given here A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, so how can we solve this? If I take 625 as common, so here will we get 625, one time I am writing here, and here minus 35 is left here in bracket, then again this plus sign, and in bracket here will be 65. Okay, and one more thing, because we have taken out here as common 625, and here you can see this 625 is present with this minus sign, that's why we have to write this minus with this 65. Again I am telling you, here 625 as we have taken here as common, but what about this minus sign? This minus sign will be with this 665. Okay, because there will be no any changes if I write this minus sign with this or with this, because in multiplication doesn't matter that multiplication sign will be here or here, because in answer this answer will be in negative form only, that's why we can take this minus sign with this 65. Understood? That's why I have written here. Then directly you can solve this 625, then this minus, then you can open this bracket, and after that you can solve it further. Okay, thank you.